Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another Aspinal of London bag to show you today, and this is actually a set because we also have the matching purse as well, which is really cute. So we've got that stitched A on there for the Aspinal of London. So this is a camera bag. We've got a removable strap. We actually have two options for the strap. So we have this canvas strap, which is really funky. It's a nice colourway, but we also have this leather strap as well. So you can see this canvas strap just clips on. Then we also have this leather strap. So you just undo those little press studs there, and then it just loops through onto those loops on the side. So you've got a couple of options there, which is nice. And then we have a zip top closure. We've got double zip pulls. And inside, we've just got a nice pink fabric lining in there. So really nice and simple on the inside. Then we do also have one flat pocket along the back there as well. And then this wallet has a zip around closure, and then inside, so our tag in there, so let's pop that out. We've got one flat pocket in the middle, we've got that care card there, and then we've got 3 card slots on this side and 3 card slots on the other side too. So the condition of both the bag and the purse we've called excellent. They're in pretty much as new condition, not been used at all. There's no wear or anything at all. I'll show you all around, just so you can see again what a nice condition it is in. And again, that purse is the same. All of that leather. It's actually a really nice dark foresty green colour, but it's all in a lovely condition. And there is no signs of wear for me to show you at all. It comes with quite a few bits. So we've got the smaller box with the Aspinal tissue paper inside there for the purse. And then we also have this little miniature Aspinal dust bag. And then finally, we've got the bigger Aspinal box for the camera bag as well. So it would make a lovely little gift set, especially with the matching purse as well, and with the boxes. This would make a perfect little gift. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for either the bag or the purse, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this set. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you've been looking out for something like this, get in touch with us, go to the contact us page on our website, or send us an email, let us know you'd like one of these, and we'll get you on that request list. And as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Get on there if you're interested in one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and this canvas strap is a perfect crossbody strap. It makes a really nice accessory, and this purse as well just fits perfectly into this little camera bag. It's just a really nice, simple but practical design. And then of course, if you would like a little bit more of a neutral, simple strap, you can pop that leather strap on as well. So go to the website to have a look at this, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy while you're on there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. Don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more bags.